Hey guys, today I will teach you how to download a modded version of Mini Soccer Star for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So what you want to do is go to this site. It's called zoommods.com. They have all the modded apps. So let me just type it in right here. Alright, so now we reached the front page of the site. We've got all the apps. So we're going to type in Mini Soccer Star and there it is. So go ahead and press on it and begin the download. Now before it actually downloads, there will be one more step, which I'm going to walk you guys through and show you exactly to do. So basically it's a verification. We got to download 2 apps, complete the instructions, 100% free from official app store. So let's just wait for this to download and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So yeah, it's super crazy, guys. So this is fully working version. So as you can see right here, it's going to say what we got to do. So please install 2 free apps. So there's 4 of them here. You just got to do 2 of them. So we got Fliff, Down Run for 30 seconds, High Five, Casino, W Golf. So just press tap to install on the app you want to do. It's going to bring you to the app store and you just got to download it. So I usually do the Family Island one where you got to reach level 10, but they didn't have that one today. So I guess they got the W Golf, reach level 10 instead. They've also got Fliff, Down Run for 30 seconds, High Five, install and open. But if you see different apps, that's just part of the process. It means you're in another country than me. So yeah, you just press tap to install. It'll bring you straight to the app store. You just gotta like open up the app and run it for a little bit, like with this Family Island one. I think I had to reach level 10 in the game, so that's pretty straightforward, guys. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super cool and it totally works. So yeah, if you're interested in becoming a master in Mini Soccer Star, be sure to try this out for yourself because it is fully working, guys. And yeah, I haven't encountered any issues with this modded version. It fully works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel and peace out.